Hi there. Right now I'm going to show you how to collect free leads from LinkedIn. Okay, for that we'll go click on three dots, then we'll click on more tools, and then we'll go to extensions, then click on main menu, and then we'll click on web store. Okay, this is Google Chrome extension web store, and we have to simply search LEAD lead LEAPER lead leaper. Okay, that's it, and this is the one. We'll click on that and add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Okay, it's already added. Now we have to make sure that this is pinned. Okay, now it will appear in our bar. Okay, now you can close this page. I can close this page. Now suppose I want to search Chief Executive Officer. Okay, and I will make sure it's click on people. I want people lead, and then we'll click on location. I will make sure it is United States and California. Okay, suppose I want to collect all of their email and phone number. Then I have to click on this extension, and then have to create an account. It's very simple. Put a name, an email, and create a password. But I already have an account, so I'll click on already have an account. Okay, here I can put my email and password, but I will choose better the sign in with Google. Okay, and this is my email. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I want to collect. Okay, this is the first page. I want to collect all of their emails and phone numbers, so I simply click on this extension. It will take a refresh and start working. Okay, just click on add. Okay, all the contact you want to add on your list, just simply click on add. Okay, these four are already added. Okay, all the green email symbol is means added, and these two are loading. Whatever, let's go to second page. Okay, in the same way we can collect their email and phone number. Just click on extension and it will take a refresh. That's it. Again click on add. This is how you have to do your job, and if you want to see all your list, then simply click on view my list. Okay, these are our data. If I click on this, here is the email, and this person has no phone. Okay, but in case of this person, he has his phone number, his email, his website, everything. And to copy a email or phone number, just click on this pencil icon and copy. Okay, that's how you can easily collect LinkedIn leads. I hope you like this video, and if you really like and enjoy, subscribe my channel.